Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect way for unwinding, especially after a long day of work, or if you kind of have sore eyes, and it is a really comfortable eye massager. So this was sent over by a company called Bob and Brad, and this is their pretty high-tech model here. It is the iOasis 3. It is even voice controlled. So naturally, you are going to get a user manual, and it does come with a quick start guide, which is going to tell you all those different voice options. I do suggest looking at it so that way you can figure out all the cues, but essentially you're going to say, "Hi, Bob," and then give it your communication, whatever you want. Now, if you don't want to use the voice controls, that's fine. All the controls are physically on the device itself. Now, in addition to that, you are going to get a USB-C to USB charging cable. This is what's going to allow you to power up the battery, so that way it's always nice and full charge. You can get several uses out of this before you have to charge it up. So if you are traveling or anything like that, it's not like a one and done situation. You're going to use it multiple times. Now, it does come with this nice little kind of fabric carrying bag, so if you do bring it with you on traveling and throw it in a suitcase or something, it keeps everything nice and together so you don't lose any parts, and it also keeps it nice and clean. Then finally, you are going to get an option. So as you can see, here is the device itself, but you do also have an additional insert that you can put on the device, or you can just wear separately, and that is a little gel pack here. It's got a little bit recessed areas for the eyes themselves, but you're going to basically throw this in the freezer, and it's a great way to just provide a nice cold relief. So what's nice about this, you can put it on just by yourself, but if you want to have, for example, the like eye compression mode on, then it'll kind of press over your eyes or your temples with that cold air. Very comfortable. There is a little strap here so you can adjust it so that way it fits perfectly for your head, essentially. Then here is the device itself. So nice little classy looking guy here. It's got some faux leather on the inside part. Very, very comfortable to wear. Once again, the back strap, it's nice and elastic, also adjustable. On the bottom, you're going to have your Type-C little charging port to power it up. And then all the controls are right here on the side. So first off, you're going to have your power button. Simply go ahead and hold that down to activate it. Very, very simple to utilize. Now, you'll notice it has music playing because this thing has essentially 5 different modes on here. It's going to be able to do what you hear now, which is the relaxing mode. And it's basically doing everything. It's doing your eyes, your temples, playing music. If you tap the power button, it's going to cycle through those modes. So then the next option here is your sleep mode, which is essentially just turning off the music. And now it's just focusing on your temples and your eye compression. Then you're going to do your temple relief, which obviously is just your temples. Then your eye areas, which is just going to do, once again, your compression on your eyes. And then finally, the last mode is the warm compress, which activates the heater, and then it's just pushing on your eyes. And then you're back to the relaxing mode. Now, if you're in any of those modes and you do want that heat, you can do that because you'll notice there's a little kind of flame option here. Go ahead and press that and it will turn on the heat mode for you. And essentially you're going to have 2 heat options. There is a low option and a high option as far as utilizing that heat. It does heat up nice and fast. So it's not like you're like, oh man, I have myself just a 15-minute quick eye massage or a 10-minute eye massage here. It heats up super, super fast. You'll start feeling that warmth right away. Obviously you just don't want to use the heat with the cold compressing pack here itself. Now, to how to activate that timer option, you're going to double press the power button. And like I said, you're going to get 3 different timer options. So when you double press it, you're going to have a 10-minute timer option, a 15-minute option, or a 20-minute option. I personally like the 15-minute, but it's up to you, whatever you want to utilize. Now, as far as the little circle with the little kind of arches outside of it, that's going to adjust your pressure setting. So you're going to have 4 different pressure options, which is super nice with this machine. You got a very nice soft one, you got your standard one, you got your medium one, and your strong one. Personally, if it's on my temples, I like the stronger, but when it's on the compression of my eyes, I like the weaker. But it's up to you. Whatever you want to customize, you can customize it, once again, with all those various different modes as you wish. Then you're going to have the volume button. That one is simply going to adjust basically the volume. Simply tap it.
Maximum
and it's gonna have your different volume levels, whether it's off, whether it's low, medium, or high. And then if you hold it down in the relaxing mode, it's gonna give you different sound options. So whether it's music playing, whether it's a stream running, basically you can pick whichever sound you want, which is nice because it has just a bunch of options built in here. But it's super, super comfortable to wear. It's a really great way to relax. Like I said, I absolutely love it when I get home because I can just kick back, take a few minutes to myself, sit on the couch, lay in bed, and relax. So if you are looking for an absolutely great eye massager, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.